Edye beans with the little house of beans. I bet you can't guess what number recipe we are up to. Here's a hint. Yeah, 100. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed, liked, commented, click that notification button. We are truly blessed and happy and lucky to have you guys. This video, we are making vanilla wafer cake. This recipe comes from Nabisco when I used to work in their East Hanover, New Jersey location in the accounting department back in 2000. For our 100th recipe video, we are doing a giveaway. Guess what we're giving away? Yeah, the Omnia Blue silicone liner. The recipe and the links to the products you see me use here will be in the description below, along with the directions on how you can win the Omnia Blue silicone liner as our 100th recipe giveaway. I'm super excited. It's our 100th recipe. We want to thank Gustav and Eric from Omnia Oven. Thank you for your endless support, your continued products that you send us so we can offer you all these great products in our giveaways. I am ready to make this vanilla wafer cake. Let's cook.